Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by selecting Recorder app, and if you never used it before, tapping on Allow in the pop-ups. Now, before starting your recording, tap on those three dots at the top right corner, select Settings, and adjust those two options, like File Format. When finished, go back, click on Standard, and click on one of those modes, Standard, Meeting, or Interview. When you're ready, you can finally tap on this red button to start your recording. Then select while using the app in Recorder, in Allow Recorder to record audio pop-up, Then Allow in Notifications 1. Recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo bookmark, on the right one. Now select Agree and Continue. Tap on Allow, and then while using the app, or only this time. Finally, take a picture. To discard it, click on X on the left. To add it and save it, on the check mark on the right. Finally, to end and save your recording, click on this check mark at the top right corner of it. If you wish to discard it right away, select X at the top left corner. I will go with Save Though. Now you can name it however you wish to, and select Save. As you can see, after all that, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, just hold it instead. And click on Delete option at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!